Welcome back to the Suited Realtor Podcast, your go-to source insights into Dubai's real estate landscape. Today we are exploring an important topic, differences between Islamic and conventional mortgages. Joining us is Navin Pardasani, a seasoned mortgage consultant. Navin, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thrilled to be a part of this discussion, Nawroz.
Thank you. Could you explain the fundamental distinctions between Islamic and conventional mortgages?
Well, conventional mortgage is borrowing money from a financial institution, typically with interest, to buy a property. And Islamic mortgages are based on Sharia principles in which interest, which is riba, is totally prohibited. So Islamic mortgages apply a principle of Murabaha or Ijarah.
Can you please break down this Murabaha and Ijarah for audience?
So Murabaha is basically cost plus financing. So in this, the bank buys a property for you, adds up a certain profit to it, splits it into installments for you to repay to them. So basically, they are adding up a little bit of profit to it, which is alright with the Sharia principles, and you pay this in installments throughout the tenure, and then the property becomes yours at the end of the tenure, and the bank transfers it to your name. In Ijarah, the bank buys a property on your behalf and leases it out to you. So every month, what you're paying to the bank is a part of the principal plus a lease amount. So that's the basic difference between a Murabaha and Ijarah.
Now, the next question is, how do you determine what is best for your clients, Islamic mortgage or conventional mortgage?
Well, that basically boils down to the client's requirements. So for people who want to adhere to the Sharia principles, the obvious choice is an Islamic mortgage. But if you're open to commercial mortgages also, you might have a few extra options. Having said that, you really need to sit down with an experienced mortgage advisor or real estate consultant who can understand and analyze your need and prioritize your main preferences and suggest you the best option suited to your needs.
I completely agree with that. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. It depends on various factors. Thank you, Naveen, for shedding light on this important topic. That concludes another insightful episode on the Suited Realtor Podcast. Stay tuned for more valuable discussions on navigating Dubai's dynamic real estate landscape. Thank you. Goodbye.